Hey guys, so I'm planning to buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max, but it's not yet available here, but I'm very excited. So I bought the iPhone 17 Pro Max case and I'm gonna unbox this. So this is, I only have 3 minutes, so I have to open this as fast as I can. So this is the case. The brand is Bavin for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's open this. Oh, this is the case. Nice. Features: soft touch, high definition transparent material, lightweight ultra thin casing for comfortable grip, comprehensive protection, real mobile phone mold, 1:1 suitable for protection. Drop tested, explosion proof, multiple tests, Bavin. 100% biodegradable. No. Sorry. I can't read this. Okay. 100% high quality, design upgrade and strengthen, explosion proof. Where did I get that biodegradable? Biodegradable. Magnetic attraction, super magnetic. Nice. I'm very excited. I'm not sure when the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be available here in official Apple stores here in the Philippines. Probably about 3rd or 4th week of October, or probably in November. So I'm very excited to buy my iPhone 17 Pro Max. But in the meantime, I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max case, which I bought online. I'm gonna put the link in this video.